Today's wildly profitable pointer. Every sale you make should include an upsell. Whether you're selling pet products at a retail location or you're promoting your products on the internet, every bag you give out or package you mail out should include a flyer, brochure, or coupon from your company. Give your customers the chance to buy from you again or pass on your information to a friend. Today's action step: create a postcard featuring a special product you want more folks to know about and buy. Make sure this postcard has a compelling headline, a nice photo of the product, content that describes the benefits it will give the buyer, and offer a special price or offer free shipping. Bag stuff that postcard with every purchase. And of course, you'll want to show off that you care about the earth and its animals by ensuring your printer uses recycled paper. So have more fun selling and promoting your products. That's today's wildly profitable marketing pointer. I'm C.S. Wurzburger, founder and CEO of ZooMarketingTools.com and co-author of the new Marketing Field Guide, Wildly Profitable Marketing for the Pet Industry. This book is available over at Amazon.com. See you in the next video. Until then, enjoy your day and go wild with your marketing.